Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So first let's open camera and tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the save settings, and here you have save location. You just enable this feature, and now every photo you take will be marked with its location, where it was taken. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.